I was making Hindi content. Firstly, when I started this channel, I used to post content in both Hindi and English, same content in both languages. But after a few time, I stopped English because mm, I feel a little bit of uncomfortable because I don't have any practice. I don't come from an English background. My environment is not like English speaking people. So I decided to stop English, but today I have resumed it. Why? Because someone guided me today that you should be active, at least post at least one video in English if you want to be comfortable in the language. So that's why I decided that I will be posting the same content both English and Hindi language. I think I'm not that bad in English, right? So actually, the person who guided me this is one of the team members of Saurabh Bhatnagar's team. You know Saurabh Bhatnagar, a great Indian marketer and entrepreneur, digital entrepreneur. Um, I'm sure you have heard of him already. If not, then go and Google it. You may find some news articles of him featuring him on their websites, their blogs, their news channels, their magazines. Uh, and really, he's a good marketer. So, yesterday, I joined his program named Timeline Domination. Probably you have heard of it too, isn't it? So, it's a program basically dedicated to a really basic level entrepreneur, digital entrepreneur, or internet entrepreneur to an advanced level entrepreneur. Yes. And I wanted to share you a very interesting story. Do you want to hear that? Okay, let's go ahead. Uh, 1.5 year back, I was in a live webinar of him in which he was selling or promoting his timeline domination program. So that program actually attracted me, and I thought to join that program. For that, I reserved my seat by paying 5,000 rupees. At that time, the price of that program was 35,000, probably, yeah, 35,000, and he hasn't changed that price till now. Even till now, the same price the price of the course is same as it was 2 years back. So I reserved my seat, but somehow after that I decided not to join the program. I asked for refund and they paid me the refund. But yesterday, accidentally, that's quite ridiculous that accidentally I visited his webinar, and after visiting, somehow I decided that I'm going to join this program. I'm really going with lack of money, lack of funds, but somehow I decided that I'm going to join this program. And this it was the last program he was selling separately. Means, let me explain this. Timeline domination is going to merge with Flexi Funnel, which is the funnel builder Saurabh Bhatnagar and his team has created. So they are going to merge this program, Timeline Domination, with the funnel builder. I don't know how they are going to merge, but this was the last chance that timeline domination was sold separately. So I decided to purchase that program, buy that program. I bought the final payment done today, and now I'm a part of SB's team. Yes, I'm a part of SB's team. So, and there are lots of things about this program. Actually, I joined this program not for the information they are giving in that particular course or program, but the thing for which I joined this program, the most important thing. Of course, they are important. The information, the content they are giving are really awesome, because I have access to that program already somehow. Yeah, there are lots of copycat on the internet, so they somehow they have managed to copy that content and post it on their servers. So I found that one of that server and downloaded that program. Actually, I have spent almost 30 GB of internet data to download that program, and it is already in my computer, but it is just an information, and information alone is not sufficient for your success. The most important thing that matters is the guidance, the mentorship, and the community support. That is really I can't I can't force you that how much this important for your online success or success in any field. You need a mentorship. Yes, you need. So that's the prime reason that I joined that program, and yes, I'm now part of it, and I just got the login access. Otherwise, the content they gave in that program is actually somehow I'm already doing all those things, or not all, but most of those things. For example, funnels. I know funnels. I build funnels. Web design. Yeah, I know. I build landing pages. Email marketing. I'm already doing. Affiliate marketing. Yes, I'm promoting some of the products, as said earlier in my separate video, that I'm already promoting a health niche program or product, you may tell it. I'm already promoting a health supplement, and actually I recently jumped into that niche. Otherwise, it's not my prime niche. My prime niche is marketing. So yes, I know affiliate marketing. I know Facebook ads. I'm already doing some Facebook ads, some campaigns. My first campaign was launched 1.5 years back or 2 years back. I'm already doing Google ads. Yes, Bing ads too. So the information is not very important. The important thing is, as told earlier, guidance, mentorship, and community support. That's what you needed to be successful. So that's what I wanted to share with you. Actually, I was in a conversation with him in yesterday's live class. So that was a really great experience for me, that I talked to him, and he a really humble person, I mean. So tell me, how is my English? Is it going good? And I hope that gradually it will improve. Yeah, of course it will improve. I think the only thing I'm lacking is the fluency, and that's due to lack of practice, isn't it? Okay, so thank you so much for watching this today's lesson. I mean today's video. Okay, see you then. See you. Bye.